So if you are somebody who has been thinking about joining LiveGood, you'll be happy to know LiveGood just got better. Now, thousands of people are continually joining LiveGood every single week with good reason. So I just got off of a webinar from the company, all right? And in this webinar, they was talking about new things happening with LiveGood. So I thought it'd be a dope ass video to let anybody who was thinking about joining, maybe they're like, I'm not sure. After watching this, if you don't join LiveGood, whether on my team or somebody else's, then you just don't want to make money with network marketing. Network marketing is just not for you. Affiliate marketing is just not your thing. And it's all good. But if you are into it, you're definitely going to be like, hell yeah. So one of the things that the owner of LiveGood was talking about in this webinar was the new products that are coming out. Now, as I'm making this video, we already got, plant-based proteins. We got multivitamins, we got CBD, we got amino acid products, we got joint relief products, all that good stuff. But in the coming months, actually in the coming weeks and months, we got some cool stuff dropping. First thing coming out is a new creatine product. Now this I am super excited for. I'm going to talk about it on my fitness channel, but I take creatine all the time. I've been taking creatine for 30 years. Not 30, damn. I would say 25 years. I've been taking creatine. I love creatine. But the cool thing about the new creatine product, they're added HMB supplement to it. But, if you ain't into that, it don't matter. But anyway, a new creatine product is coming out. They're coming out with a kids multi-gummy vitamin. That's on the way. And they're coming out with their own brand of essential oils. Now, essential oils has been around forever in the network marketing industry, but what I really respect about LiveGood is essential oils were supposed to have been out a long time ago. But the reason why they haven't been, because they're constantly testing the products, right? They're making sure that these are the highest quality essential oils that's going to be on the market, and you gotta respect that. They probably been talking about essential oils for the last 3 months. But on this update call, they were saying, yo, we almost there. We sorry, but we got to make sure our essential oils are right. Now, another product that should be coming out in the next couple months is their pre-workout supplement they had. Now, here's the thing. They already had it out. It was called E3, right? But they actually redid the product. Right, so they changed the flavor, they changed the ingredients in it. I think they're probably even going to change the label, but this is actually going to be a re-release, new innovation product that is going to be dropping in a couple months. So I'm excited about that. Now, another reason why LiveGood just got better is they actually lowered their retail prices. So here's the thing. If you are a LiveGood member, you get these special super low prices for products, right? But if you are just a customer, you're just a retailer, you can buy the products without being an affiliate or anything like that. And, you buy them at retail prices. Now, the retail prices was already good. They were comparable to just everybody else, right? Now, the LiveGood membership prices is phenomenal. And you can see that for yourself whenever you check out the website, whatever. But so the retail price was always good, but they just dropped them even more. So even for people that's not even into the affiliate, they don't want to be a member and they just want to buy the product straight up off of LiveGood, they can do so and pay less. So this just makes the whole LiveGood business opportunity and products a lot more appealing. So if you are ready to join LiveGood and join a poppin' team that's all about support, helping each other be successful, you already know what to do. Click that first link in the description and I will see you on the squad.